just wanna dance, I feel good.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Nats, and I hope you are happy and healthy and good and all that good stuff. Today's video is brought to you today by grocery shopping, what me and my husband typically buy every month at the grocery store. So I'll be doing a little haul for you, showing you all the things that we buy, all the staples for our household and all that good stuff. So let's jump right in. Before we jump into the video, it is definitely the time again for another shout out here on NATZNIFICENT, and I'm just going right in. You already know the rules. You have to be subscribed to my channel, and you have to be leaving comments under my videos, because every new comment that comes in, I write your name down, I write your comment down, I write which video you left that comment on, and I natsnify you here on this channel. Alright, so let's go into the bag. Alright, so this person is Tony Shea Williams. Big up yourself, Tony Shea. She was my student. I mean, this is the time where the channel is really personal. I kind of know everybody that has subscribed, because you know I'm a small YouTuber. So Tony Shea, thank you for tuning in and watching my videos, and of course leaving comments. I always enjoy your videos. Keep it up. And this was done. This comment was left on my undecorate and redecorate with me video. Thank you very much for watching, Tony Shea. And if you have not seen that video yet, I will leave it right here for you in an iCard, so you can actually watch that video and catch up. Alright, now back to the video. Guys, by the way, I have a whole lot of bags, and I'll insert a clip right here of all the bags that we have. So we basically, before we get into the goodies, we buy a lot of grocery because we only shop once a month. We buy grocery for the whole month because ain't nobody got time to be going to the grocery store once a week or once every 2 weeks. I'm too tired when I get in from work. I just want to have food to cook and eat. You understand? Ain't nobody got time for that. So in our first bag, this looks like a produce bag. So, and if you're a Jamaican, you know what we do when we can't bother to pull one bag. We bust it open. We ain't saving bags around here. Alright. So the first item, well, the bags are mixed, by the way, so a lot of things are in different bags. So the first item we have here are bread. Typical bread. Japan does not have the long hard dough bread that we are used to in Jamaica. It's bread like these. They have some with 8 slices, some have 6, some have 4. We choose this brand because it's really soft. The others are a little bit coarse and toughish. So yeah, it's a little bit squished because of the whole bag situation, but yeah. Next up we have some broccoli, and I buy these ones instead of, they do sell the frozen broccoli that is already cut up, but because our fridge is really tiny and we are banned for the month, as I said, so we tend to have a lot of meat products, sorry. So we try to limit the freezer space to only meat products. So we buy these that can just be out in the cupboards or in the fridge. So these are broccoli. And guys, I'm so sorry, you'd have to watch the other video, and I'll link it at the top of your screen over here, either here or here. I'm not sure where it appears on your screen, but I don't know the prices off my head because I have the receipts, but the receipts, everything is in Japanese, and of course I can't read Japanese, but I would have looked at the price while we're buying, so I really don't know. Alright, so next we have cabbage. So yes, Japan does have cabbage, alright? Same cabbage everywhere you go, alright? Pumpkin, well I have 3. These are pumpkins, very rich and nice. people, me just show them because me don't want the video too long. Alright, so next up, tissue. And this is, how much coming at this now? 12. So we have 12 tissues. Next is another bag that is too tightly tied, so we're going to burst through this as well. I will give you the total of how much we spend for everything that I show you though, even though I can't give you individual prices. Alright, so first in this box is, put it back down. And guys, as I said, we have a lot of things going on in each of these bags because in Japanese supermarkets, you have to pack your own bags, and me and Adam, we don't have time to be putting this in, no. So we just show everything in bags. So this is laundry detergent, and actually, you buy the box at the first time buying, and then they actually sell refills for these boxes. So another time we don't have to buy the boxes. But I personally prefer to buy the boxes. I don't know, because the refill is cheaper, so I don't know why I'd be spending the extra $200 anyway. Alright, and this is also laundry detergent, but this one is specifically made for white clothes because it has more bleach in it, so it takes care of your whites better than the regular laundry detergent. So that's these. And we have fabric softener. So this is what a refill typically looks like. So the Fab ones will come in something similar to this. This is actually for fabric softener. I already have fabric softener using now, so I didn't need a new bottle. So I just bought this one to just pour back in it and fill it up. And typical, just some Ziploc, because Adam and I, we actually spend a day every month to sort our meat products. So every kind of meat that we buy, chicken, fish, whatever it is, and we cut them up, we season them, and we put them into Ziploc bags, name them or tag them like what's in it, like chicken stew. Trust me guys, and that's a hack. If you have a busy life, if you're working and you're often tired, just choose one day. As soon as you do your grocery shopping, just choose one day. I mean, it takes at least 3 hours for us, and Adam helps me, thank God.
And you know, you get all your meat washed, seasoned, parceled, and it's ready to go. You put them in your freezer, and when you want chicken, you just take it out and you thaw it out, and you have chicken ready to go. So when we are doing chicken, we wake up in the morning for work, we just take it out, put it in some water to thaw while we're at work, and then when we come in, chicken.
Alright, and then what's left in this bag are really just juice. Alright, I'm not going to show you all the juices, but basically we have orange juice and grape juice, diluted grape juice actually, because it tastes nothing like grape. So yeah, that's for that bag. Over here we have some paper towels. This is a staple in our house and staple in everybody's house, I am assuming, because I mean, napkins, everybody use them. Alright, so that's for this. Next we have some garbage bags. So in Japan, as I said in my apartment tour video, which I'll also link on your screen somewhere, it will pop up with a little eye. In Japan, you have to separate your trash, and for each trash, you have a different kind of bag. So these green bags are for burnable. So your regular trash, like, you know, leftover food, whatever the case may be. They also have these in black. So where the green is, it would be black, and those are for like plastic and all of that stuff. They have one specific for cans. I think the cans go into these ones as well. But each of these garbage guys, they go out on different days. God knows, it's work. All right, so we have another bag here that was pulled because I had to take out the ice cream and put it in the fridge. Alright, so these are just some more fridge items. So we have some mixed cheese. So this is like cheddar cheese and mozzarella cheese. And to be honest, guys, the cheese in Japan, it doesn't taste like cheese in Jamaica. I mean, nothing can beat tasty cheese, of course, but these cheese have no taste. I just buy them because, I mean, cheese is necessary, you understand, for certain things. And this is, these are pak choy, called pak choy, bok choy, pak. What's the original name for these, or the right name? I am not sure. I grew up calling this pak choy, so me I gonna say pak choy, or pop choy, or whatever the case may be. These are they. So I think these are smaller than the ones in Jamaica though, for sure. But I mean, it's the same thing. It tastes the same. It cooks the same. All right. So I just got 2 of these because I want to cook some chop suey sometime this month. All right, and these are just chicken nuggets. All right, and next up we have some condensed milk. So yeah, these are what condensed milk look like in Japan. They're in a tube. I mean, when I just got here, I used to see tin condensed milk, but for the past maybe 4 or so months, I've been going to the supermarket and I've only been seeing these. So I'm not sure if, and I've checked at the 3 supermarkets that we are close to. So it seems as if they're not bringing the canned condensed milk anymore. So that's what we're stuck with. All right, next we have some sweet potato, okay? Sweet potato. Typical, yes, Japan has sweet potato too, and it tastes the same. It's the same thing, all right? So regular schmegular sweet potato, yeah. All right, I'm out of breath. All right, so this is bleach. So you know, in Jamaica we have a regular like 5-gallon bleach, or you know, the white plastic bag. Bigger than this is what I am trying to say. In Japan they don't have that. This size is the biggest size I've seen here so far. I bought 3 of them because in this house I like to have my bleaches separate. For the toilet room, a bleach goes in there, and that bleach is specifically used for the toilet room. I mean, they're all the same, but I keep a bleach in the toilet room. So whenever the toilet is being cleaned, there's a bleach for that purpose. I keep a bleach at our dishes. So whenever we're washing dishes that need a little bleach, we have that. And then we have regular bleach that we can put in our clothes, or to sanitize anything or to clean up anything. So 3 bleaches, yeah. All right, and next we just basically have some, well, a whole lot of sponges. And why we have so many sponges, I mean, we don't believe in using one sponge too many times on our dishes and on our forks and on our cups. So we basically have limited ourselves to washing dishes once a day, and we use 1 sponge a day. So after a day we throw it away, and you know, that is a 5 coming days. So we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 sponges, and I mean a month is roughly 31 days, so we're cutting it close. But if anything, we can just go to the dollar store, Syria, my best friend, and pick up some more sponges. And I'm throwing these over there on the bed because I don't want this video to be too long. Next, we have some dishwashing soap. And this one smells like bubblegum, and I really like it. So yeah, dishwashing soap in Japan. All right, you go there. And then we have, normally we buy body wash, but I didn't this trip. So this is bar soap. I mean, it ain't no Lasco and it ain't no Lashore, but it works. Alright, so that's it for this bag, guys. We're moving quite fast. Alright, we have a next bag. Alright, so the first thing I grabbed was some string beans. Yes, guys, we have string beans in Japan. Okay. So string beans.
Adam says these are spring onions. Adam knows way more Japanese than I do, so he's actually able to look at, you know, items and can recognize what they are.
So amen for that. So these are green onions, and then they have spring onions differently. All right, next up we have some regular fries. Yeah, we have fries in Japan. And some peanut butter, regular Skippy peanut butter, yeah. And then we have some butter, some cooking butter, very small, but I mean I have to buy 2 of this a month, but I normally just start with 1 and then just pick up something along the line. Next we have some raw peanuts. I think you saw this in the other video when we were showing it. Yeah, so raw peanuts, we do have raw peanuts. I'm not sure if these are salty. I will check, but I actually bought these because I want to make some peanut punch for my husband. If you know, you know. Yeah, peanut. I'm way too Gigi. More milk. More condensed milk. This is just another brand. Condensed milk. And it does have the English on it, so it says sweetened condensed milk. All right, next we have some bell pepper, some green peppers. Yeah. Next we have some bananas, because we're getting our fruits in. Yep. And I want some to make some banana bread and some banana fritters in the morning. So these are bananas. All right, garlic, regular garlic. Everybody know garlic look. All right, guys, this is some vinegar, and this has lime in it. So you know we wash our chicken with like lime or lemon and vinegar. This is a mixture of both, so it's like 2 in 1. I still go in with my lime juice, of course, but I mean chicken have to get cleaned. All right, next sugar. So yeah, we can go shop, go buy 1 pound of sugar, 2 pound of sugar, 3 pound of sugar. So yeah, this is what brown sugar looks like, and it's not really dark. It's not really dark like dark brown sugar, but I mean it works just the same. All right, this is just another pack of fries. Some more green peppers. Last item in this bag is some vanilla, you know, for baking and all that stuff. That's this bag. And whew. Guys, I swear I'm not trying to make this video long. Just want to go through everything. All right, next we have some onions. Regular onions. This has a whole lot in it. This will serve us for the entire month. We have some apples, regular American style apples, and we have about 6 bags of Irish potatoes. Adam loves Irish potatoes too. So yeah. So guys, as you can see, my grocery is along the line of, you know, regular Western Jamaican, you know, like Irish potato, sweet potato, pumpkin, all of that stuff. You realize I don't have any Japanese kind of staples. We go as Jamaican as possible in this place. All right, next. Whew. I'm going so fast, I am running out of breath. Alright, this is where the Japanese comes in now. So, what's this Adam bought? I don't know what's this. I've never seen this before. We don't normally buy no orange looking chicken. Adam love experimenting, man. Why? Anyway, these now are so it fell. Oh my gosh. I can't go for that right now, guys. I'm sorry. Alright, so these are, I don't know, it looks like some butter chicken, like some Indian butter chicken. The one that fell is actually in a tin, just like this, but it's actually Thai curry. So Thailand food, Thai chicken curry, basically. So it's very spicy. But it's just basically cooked chicken in a tin with gravy. And this is tuna. So we have a few of these. Then we have coconut milk. Yeah. Guys, yes, Guinness is in Japan, okay? So I bought a Guinness because, as I said, I'm making some peanut punch for my man, alright? Yeah, this is it. Alright, I haven't seen Malta here though. I'll just put that out there. No Malta, but there's a Heineken and Red Stripe. Alright, so this is one of the chicken that fell. The Thai curry chicken. So this is one. Spice level is different, and this is another Thai curry kind of pre-packaged chicken. Alright, and cooking oil. Alright, yeah. Last but not least, let me just grab this real quick. Okay guys, so the last two things that I have in this grocery haul is eggs. Alright, eggs, regular eggs. They have white eggs, they have brown eggs. And these come in Jamaica, we have 12 per tray. This is 10 per tray. And last we have, well, this is not a regular monthly kind of buy, it's just special. So this month I am going to be baking some brownies and some chocolate chip cookies. So I bought chocolate chips. Duh. Alright? So, I mean, the only bag that's left is this one, and it's just filled with drink, and I already showed you what the drinks look like here. So that my friends is basically it. These are the things that my husband and I buy every month. Well, these are things that are always on our grocery list, you know, minus the chocolate chip and the Guinness and the peanut, which are for special occasions. This is what we mostly buy, and all of these products that I am showing you right now costed 25,000 yen, which is basically 25,000 Jamaican dollars. I mean, if you put it in the converter, it might say like 27,000 or so Jamaican dollars, but I think for $25,000 this is relatively a lot of food for the month, being that it's two of us, and you know, with our school schedule, every time we cook, we have to cook thinking of 4 or possibly 8, because when we cook dinner, we have to eat, that's 2, and then we have to bring lunch to school, that's 2, so that's 4 dishes. And I mean, if you're hungry sometime later in the night, that's 2 more, so basically 8. So this is relatively a good amount of food for us. As I said, we don't eat the Japanese food that much, so at school the kids and the teachers eat Japanese school lunch. We don't eat that, so we have to bring our own lunch to school, which is actually what we cook. So we have to buy a little bit more, even though it's the 2 of us, because we're really eating 8 times from each meal that we prepare in here. And you're probably wondering how you haven't seen any meat stuff and so on. I mean, I did a video, and I posted a video some weeks ago. Well, I mean, it's weeks ago by the time I post this, of course, with the Jamaican food in Japan. So the rest of my stuff, like the meat and like maybe cornflakes and little corned beef and kalaloo and so on, would come from that girl which I was speaking about in that video. If you haven't watched it yet, I will link it on your screen, and it will also be in the description below, so you won't miss it. You can check that one also. We normally buy these in addition to those. As I said, we have to cook a lot because I mean we don't eat the Japanese food, so these in addition to that. Our monthly grocery budget is 40,000 yen. We cut it at 40,000 yen, so we split. We spend 15,000 with our Jamaican goods supplier, and then we spend 25 inside the actual Japanese supermarket. So that's basically it. I hope you enjoyed seeing what my husband and I typically buy in a month, what we typically eat in a month, and I hope you got a good idea of what Japanese products actually look like, you know, and can make comparisons with Jamaican products. And if you want to see more videos like this, of course, mention it in the comments below. Tell me what kind of stores you want to see me visiting, whether it's the drugstore, the convenience store, anything. Just let me know in the comments below, and I'll of course try to film that for you guys. So until next time, that's it, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.
So back to what I was saying. Could be us.